Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm glad to have you here. My name is Juanita and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the foodstuffs my friends, two of my amazing friends sent to me all the way from Nigeria. Honestly, I'm super excited because if you know, you know, the foodstuffs from back home is different from the one we get abroad. I mean, the foodstuffs from back home hits differently when it gets to America or gets to any part of the world. It's different, it's special. Guys, let's open the box. How do they used to do? Look at a very massive box. I'm so excited. I hope there's crayfish. Of course, I know there's crayfish. Anybody that knows that whales like to put crayfish in almost everything. Not everything, right? But almost everything. So let's see. Rip it apart. Rip it. I don't hear you. Not go rip them. I have scissors here. See scissors. I cannot go cut crayfish down already. Don't worry now. You know your shit now. Don't worry, I'll get it. No, I didn't. I'm right on track. Hey, let me show. The peg. The peg. Uh-oh, look. So, God, thank you, Jesus, for the amazing friends you gave me. Like, I can say it every day. I can say it for free that God, when God was creating whales, he said, you know what? I'm going to bless you with amazing friends. And trust me when I tell you, my friends are amazing. My friends are amazing. They are a blessing to me. When I'm counting my blessings, I count them multiple times too because why not? So, let me start from the very good one, crayfish. Crayfish is my best recipe. This is a massive crayfish. Look, very big. If I were to buy this in America, oh my God, this would be like, how much do you think this would be in America? Leave it in the comment section. I think this would be like maybe $40. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, because it's huge. This one will last me for another 6 months or 7 months. Crayfish and my friends, God bless them. What's this? I don't know. She wrote something, but it's cleaned. This is for my friend Esther. Esther, God bless you. I don't know what this is, but it's not crayfish. Yeah, I don't know what it is. She wrote it down, but it erased. I don't know what it is. Then ogbono. My children love ogbono, so why not? I'm gonna make some delicious ogbono. If you want to see my ogbono recipe, leave it to the. My husband says ogbono. My children like ogbono, so yeah, ogbono. This is for my darling friend Oziomer. So yeah, I'm gonna be cooking some delicious recipe with this ogbono. Let me talk like my children. Ogbono. Oh, this one. What is this one? Then my friend sent custard. I like custard, especially when I'm not feeling fine. I love to drink custard when it's cold. Then I don't know what's this. Scent leaf. I'm gonna be making some pepper soup for the weather. Pepper soup. This percentage will make my pepper soup more delicious. Usually add some kind of beautiful flavor. Nice. Then I have some of these. What's this? Curry masala. I think it's for stew. A blend of natural ingredients. Yeah. It has a blend of curry, basil, thyme, savory, and rosemary. Ooh, my stew is about to be yum. Okay, and then this is banga spice. My husband does a lot of banga. He's good at banga, so he'll like this one. He will like that one. Always cooking banga. This is pepper soup, another pepper soup spice. Oh my God, God bless my friends. You guys are amazing. Amazing. Then this one is the same one, curry masala. Thumbnail. Okay, I've showed this one before, custard. I think this one I busted it, or we busted for some reason. Then the last is pepper soup, more pepper soup spice. My friend wants to wound me in pepper soup ingredients. I will drink pepper soup this season of cold. I go drink pepper soup tire. Yeah. So I'm so excited. I'm not even joking. This package was sent in love because I feel the love all the way. And yeah, I'm glad. I mean, comment below, leave a comment below if you see any of the recipes you normally use, if you use it here in America or back home. Leave it in the comment section. Honestly, I just want to pause and I'm thirsty because honestly, I want to say thank you. A very big thank you to my friends. I am entirely grateful to you all. And it's not even about the ingredients. It's not even about the packaging. It's not even about the food stuff. It's about the love. It was sent in love, and I feel the love. Like I'm blushing. I'm over the moon. Every ingredient, every recipe means love to me. Oh my God. God. You know, my friends are amazing. My love language is, act of kindness, and this blew my mind. It blew my mind because this food stuff will last me for a year, especially the crayfish. I don't joke with crayfish, and it will last me for, even more than a year. So I'm so grateful. Even about the food itself, it's the love, it's the thought, it's the effort behind, all this. I am so grateful. Let me know in the comment section, which Nigerian food stuff do you miss? If you're anywhere abroad, I know we have African stores, but it cannot be like, if it cannot be like the ones from back home. So leave in the comment section and tell me which Nigerian food stuff you miss. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for, liking and yeah, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy this Nigerian food stuff unboxing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. I appreciate you all. Bye for now. Thank you. Adios.
You don't have to. I was. Thank God say you didn't my friend. It's okay. I don't want anyone to know who are those people. That's me.
Hey, God. Okay.
I don't want anyone to know who are those. It's like you didn't mention their name.
Maybe I'm supposed to.